Morning to all. This is for class 7th MSc. Class we had completed 3 chapters. Today I'm going to start your chapter number 4, that is working in tandem, teamwork. If we will work in teamwork, then what all benefit we will got, that we will study in this chapter. So teamwork is born when a group of the people cooperate and work together to achieve certain common goal and share the reward. Students, particularly adolescents, who learn to work in team make significant social and emotional gain, for they find themselves much better equipped in handling such problem as an unclear sight of objective, fostering self-doubt and feeling a sense of isolation. Team workers also find it much easier to develop emotional maturity in coping with their relationship and in getting their job done more efficiently. So, teamwork divides the task and multiplies the performance. So, the most important benefit of teamwork is that if we are working in a team, then our task will be divided and our performance will be multiplied. Also, if we work in team, then we can do our things within a short period of time rather than to do it all alone. So, now coming on to the chapter. This chapter is about Sankalp and his friends. They were 4 friends. They used to work alone, but they are not achieving what they want. One day they start working in a team, and very short period of time they fulfill their dreams. So let us see what is the chapter about. It was their summer vacation, and Sankalp and his friend did odd job to augment their pocket allowance, delivering newspapers, waiting at the fast food joint, washing cars, selling lemonade, delivering pizzas. Working individually, they did earn some money but not enough to pull sufficient money to fund their dreams holiday at a hill resort in the lower Himalayas. Then an opportunity presented itself, and the 4 of them teamed up to tackle a job which became their part time profession, and soon they had enough money to realize their dreams. Here's now. So there were 4 friends. Sankalp and his friends, they were working separately, sometime washing cars, then delivering pizza, delivering newspaper. All these works they are doing, but they are doing it all alone. They had a dream to spend some holidays at hill resort, but they need money for this, and working separately they are not going to earn that much money. So one day something had happened which gave them the opportunity to earn money. This we will see in the chapter. So now, it is no use, despaired Sankalp. We have worked for almost a month now, and what we have collected is a mere 1,000 rupees. Anuj shrugged resignedly. What can we do? We have our daily expense to meet. He rued. This is all we could save. Neeraj looked at his friends. Listen, I have some news for you, he confided. Mr. Mathur, our local corporator, needs his lawn and garden to be done up. It's his daughter's wedding next week. Shall we go and offer our service? He will pay us well. So Sankalp said that whatever we are earning, these are not enough for us. We need more. Then one of his friend Neeraj said that I have a better plan than this. One of the local corporator, his name is Mr. Mathur. He needs someone to clean his lawn as he is going to do his daughter's wedding. So if we offer there our services, then we can earn better. Are you crazy? Pankaj objected. Those gardens are 5 acres at least. How we will finish the task in a couple of days? Pankaj said that ground is very long. It is in 5 acres. So how we will finish it within 2 days? Sankalp took the lead. We will find a way, I am sure, he reasoned. And don't forget, we will get more money in a very short time. The four of them argued and reasoned. A decision was reached. And Sankalp accompanied Neeraj to close the deal with Mr. Mathur. I will pay you 2000 rupees, but I need the job complete in 2 days' time. He said, a note of warning in his stentorian voice. So, after their discussion, they come to the point that we will do that job. Then Sankalp said to Neeraj that you go and close the deal with Mr. Mathur. Mr. Mathur agreed to pay 2000 rupees, but his condition was the lawn should be cleaned within 2 days. Now, it was dawn the next day, and the four of them were surveying their task. Roughly 4 acres of lush lawn and numerous long rows of flower bed lay before them. Neeraj, you and Pankaj began with the lawn. One would operate the mower and the other would rake the cut grass into the basket. I will empty the basket in the compost pit. He was organizing his resource optimally. Anuj, you start with the weeding in the flower bed. Do 1 row at a time. We will rotate our duties every 2 hours so that none of us is overburdened and none of us let easy, he announced. So, Sankalp started his work with his friends and he distributed the work among his friends, and also he put the condition that every few minutes, every short period of time, we will change our duty so that no one will get overburdened and the work will be completed within short period of time. And in this way they started their work. They set to work and exchanged tasks at intervals. It was lunch time, and as Sankalp stood back to access their work, he had a feeling that Anuj was lagging behind in his assessment. There were 20 rows of flower bed, 10 on the either side of the long driveway from the gate to the portico. And Anuj had been able to weed just 3 rows. That would mean only 12 rows in 2 days. At this rate, Neeraj, you are quicker with your finger, while Anuj is much more well built than you. He said, you two exchange your job from now on. Anuj, you take the mower and Neeraj, you do the weeding. They egged each other on, took up the load when one of them rested, never ridiculed others' weakness, and were a source of strength to one another. Marshalling their resources carefully and working smoothly as a team, they were able to do the lawn and flower bed in 2 days and had a few hours to spare. Let's cover the compost pit and throw in the added service of tidying up the driveway, Sankalp declared. By 6 o'clock in the evening, they had finished. So, now they started their work, and when they got lunch time, Sankalp noted that one of his friend, that is Anuj, he is lagging behind his assessment. So, he sent Neeraj to help him, and after lunch, they exchanged their work. Neeraj did the weeding, and within a short period of time, they had completed their work. So it was 6 o'clock in the evening when they finished their work. Apart from this, they also had done the extra work, that is, they throw all the dust from the compost pit. You have done a good job, I must say, smiled Mr. Mathur with satisfaction. Here, this is doing my part of the deal, he said, handing over a wad of bill to Sankalp. Why, there are 2,500 rupees here. He explained with surprise, exclaimed with surprise. We had decided on 2,000 only. Keep the money, Mr. Mathur said expensively. You all deserve it, and to tell you the truth, I never expected you to finish the job in 2 days' time. He revealed, but you have not only finished the job in time, but also have done it perfectly, and to top it all, I have my driveway cleaned as well. So, Mr. Mathur was very happy and very satisfied by their job, and Mr. Mathur had given 2,500 rupees to Sankalp. Sankalp was surprised by seeing this. He said, Mr. Mathur, we had done the deal in 2,000 rupees. Why are you giving us 2,500 rupees? So Mr. Mathur smiled on this and said that you had done the work very perfectly. Apart from this, you had done the work in 2 days, the time which I had given to you. So he was very happy, and that is why he had given 500 rupees extra to them. The boys were elated. You just had a lesson in teamwork, Sankalp later remarked happily. A few days later, they did another property and then another. By the end of 2 weeks, Sankalp sat with his team. You have just over 10,000 rupees with us, he announced. There were shouts of glee, and the friends hugged each other with joy. Sankalp and his friend could have their dream holiday at Nainital after all. So now they had start working in another property, then in another property, and in this way, within a short period of time, they had collected the amount of rupees 10,000. They were very happy, and finally they were able to fulfill their dreams of going to the hill resort, and they had gone to Nainital and enjoyed there. So the theme of the lesson is, the summary of the lesson is, if we work in teamwork, then it will take less time, less burden, and we will get our performance soon. So this is the explanation of the chapter. In question answers, I will give you next video. Thank you.